เรียน
วางแล้วครับท็อปปิ้งได้เลยกะทิทุเรียนนะพี่
This is salt. Salt.
liquid ice
Oh, liquid. Oh, amazing. Hello friends, right now I'm right here at Icecreamtuadam and I'm gonna be showing you one of the best ice creams right here in Samut Prakan. We've got a very huge online presence. I'm lucky enough to come very early as she sets up her shop, and I'm gonna be showing you some of the steps she goes through from the opening session to the making to the serving. and I will be trying out the smallest to the biggest ice cream she has on the menu. She's got quite a number of flavors from Oreo, from coconut, taro, durian, lemon, vanilla, and much more. What's the most popular flavor? Lemon, durian, Oreo? Durian. Which one do you like most? Durian. I've not eaten durian before, but
vanilla, durian, Oreo.
I see you have some bread. How do you sell this?
ขนมปัง
Kanom bang. You put ice cream inside. Interesting. Let me try. Yeah, let me try the bread and ice cream. We're gonna be trying out the bread and ice cream. We'll try out the cone and also try out the cap. I'll try the Oreo. Oreo and
durian.
Thank you. I'm not a fan of durian, but I'm doing this for you so you can know a variety of options that are here. I've never tried durian ice cream. This is it, durian and Oreo. The durian flavor is really strong. Wow, it's amazing, very flavorful. If you're a fan of durian, I'm doing this scoop on your behalf. Durian is really strong, very strong. If you're not a fan of durian, it's gonna be a complex decision for you. This is the kind of dessert I wouldn't think about, but it is actually worth trying. The flavors are very surprisingly unique, but the durian flavor, it is really strong. I don't know how to say it without sounding rude to the people who love durian. It's very pungent, very extremely pungent. If I had options, I definitely wouldn't go for the durian. The taste is extremely amazing, but the smell, very pungent. I don't know what to compare it with. This is something my Ugandan brothers and sisters wouldn't try eating. That was quite an experience. For only 20 baht, you get to try bread and ice cream. 2 flavors of ice cream. I think that's amazing. It's worth a try. Now next up, I want to be trying out the cone. I'm not sure how much that is, but let's go find out right now so you can have a full tour of what her options are. Let me try the cone too. He also has cones at the shop. I'm gonna be trying out the cone right now. Vanilla.
Vanilla.
You have this beautiful view of the river. This is actually a very good option for me because it's kind of washing away the durian flavor that I had left in my on my palates.
Woo!
Vanilla is amazing, and it's got these chunks of chocolate inside, kind of break and release a burst of chocolate flavors into a mix of vanilla. Makes a very good combination. Finally, we get to the section with the corner. The atmosphere here is just amazing, guys. Very unique atmosphere. I also like the fact that it's next to the roadside, so you get a feel of the traffic, the contrast of the river over here, very slow river, the sounds over there, and the flavors from the ice cream. Guys, this is from the famous Icecreamtuadam. So guys, this is our last cup. At least now you know they have a variety of options for you to try out. She made this special cup for me. Let's go try it out right now. Amazing. This is 40 Thai baht. What do you think of this special cup? We have taro, we have coconut, and milk and jelly. This is what it is, and we have a variety of toppings. We also got something to snack on. We have some jelly. Wow, the jelly is a must try. So got this. I feel like I'm still tasting the durian flavor in my mouth. Wow. Oh my god, so sweet. You got vanilla on top, you got coconut down there, and taro. Wow, this is very satisfying. Today has been quite an experience. I've tasted a variety of ice cream options at Icecreamtuadam. I feel like I'm all sweet right now. I need to wash down the sweetness with a bottle of water. Alright friends, that's it for this video. See you in my next one.
Bye bye.
See you again. See you again. Thank you.
Bye bye. See you again.
See you. Ciao ciao.